Emirates Airbus A380, experiencing low potable water level. En route to New Zealand Airport, low potable water levels on planes are managed through a combination of monitoring, communication, operational adjustments, and post-landing procedures. While it can be an inconvenience, proper management ensures passenger safety and comfort are maintained. An Airbus A380 from Emirates experiencing low potable water levels en route to a New Zealand airport would follow specific protocols to manage the situation. By following certain steps, Emirates would ensure that the situation is handled efficiently, prioritizing passenger safety and comfort while maintaining operational integrity.